TIG welding. Here we are going to see the function of tungsten inert gas welding. The TIG welding consists of power source, coolant system, gas valve, regulator flow meter, shielding gas cylinder, remote control, gas in, gas out, work clamp, coolant in, coolant out, workpiece, torch, filler rod, shielding gas nozzle, non-consumable tungsten electrode. In this process, an electric arc is produced between a non-consumable tungsten electrode and the workpiece. By supplying the electric power and the inert gas from the cylinder passes through the nozzle of the welding head around the electrode. The inert gas surrounds the arc and protects the weld from atmospheric effects, and hence defect-free joints are made. It is also used for combining of dissimilar metals, hard facing and the surface of metals.